See, I mean, there is no problem as such, but I don't know why Aam Aadmi took a press today and gave a premature statement, because India Alliance, such a talks are going on at national level. And Azuni, I mean, with India Alliance, what is going to be the proposition? Because it's not only in Goa, सगळे दुसऱ्या राज्याचे डिस्कशन चालू आहे. And I think आमचे India Alliance coordination team आसा, so they will speak on this. I think at state level, speaking on this topic, I don't want to really talk much on this.
पण जेन्ना साऊथ गोवा सीट ते डिक्लेअर करता आमी पळयला की साऊथ गोवा हो सदांच काँग्रेसीचो सीट.
I was really surprised that why Aam Aadmi declared the seat where we have a already sitting MP. If they had declared the other parliamentary seat where BJP has a MP, I mean, I would have, but I don't know why, what made them declare where already India Alliance partneracho MP khaya asa thai. But as I said, that India Alliance is happening not at state level. This is an alliance which is happening at the national level, where everybody, all these other political parties have come together to defeat the BJP. The ultimate aim and motto is what? आज जी देशाची जनता आसा, they are ही अक्षरशः आज पीडित आहा. जे नरेंद्र मोदीच्या सरकारान लोकांक जी आश्वासनां दिली तातूंतलें एकूय फुलफील जालें ना. आज गोंयच्या जनतेचो युवा आज बेरोजगारीक पीडित आहा. आज प्रत्येक गोंयकार आज म्हारगायेचेर पीडित आहा. जे सरकारान सांगिल्लें काला धन हाडटा म्हणून तें आज काला धन आयिल्लें ना. प्लस ताजे बदली आज गोल्ड स्मगलिंग चालू आहा गोंयांत. सो आय थिंक ऑल दीज इश्यूज which are serious issues of the state and the center, our aim is to defeat the BJP. So regarding India Alliance, which is happening, I think that national level that clarity will come.
पण ते हा प्रेसिडेंट खंय तरी म्हणटा की तुमच्या कडसून कम्युनिकेशन सारकें जायना, तुमी डिले करता आनी हार्डली टायम उरलेले आसा.
30 दीस ट्राय करता.
सो कॅम्पेनिंगाक टायम.
I think probably he is not talking at the state level. He is talking about the national level, because at state level coordination कशें जायना. स्टेट लेवलाचेर आमचें आमरे डिस्कशन चालू आहा. स्पोकन टू हिम, वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड इन असेंब्ली पर जी शेनवारा सोंपल्या तातूंत यू हॅव सीन देर आवर MLAs also, their MLAs also, they are meeting regularly. I think probably what he's trying to say is at national level, our in charge and whatever views had to be discussed about the state that we have discussed, and I think let the clarity come from the national level, that what is going to be the step ahead of the India Alliance.
टायम हो तो मेजर फॅक्टर म्हणटा खंय हार्डली टायम उरला आनी तुमी अजूनय डिले करता आनी मागीर चड डिले करता कॅम्पेनिंग करपाक.
तशें ना. See, we have a sitting MP who is there in South Goa. I mean, who is moving around. I mean, if you see of late last 1-2 months, various programs he has held. I mean, in Savarde constituency, all other constituencies we are moving. Also at state level, आमचे पक्षाचे काम on organization level is going on. So it's not that it is getting delayed. I mean, see, this call regarding the alliance is a national level alliance which has to happen. पक्षातर्फे आमचे जे काम जावपाक जाय ते चालू आहा. इट इज नॉट दॅट अलायन्स जातले आनी मागीर आमी काम चालू करतले. आमचें काम गेल्ले 1.5 वर्स चालू आहा.
They have declared the candidate of the south. So आता फुडें कितें?
No, see, that is a call they have taken at their level. They are a political party. I can't stop them. That is their call. Now, why they have done it, that how can I answer on their behalf?
But now
That is their political.
It is India Alliance, no?
Amit तिने एक इंडिया
सो फ्युचर कितें जाता इंडिया एलायन्साचो इन गोवा? ते ऑलरेडी तेंच्यांनी डिक्लेअर केल्लो. आसपाचे तुमचे 2 पार्टी आसली, TMC हांगा चड आमी पळयना. सो फक्त आप आणि काँग्रेस हे मेजर गोंयांत 2 पार्टीज असले.
India Alliance and there are various other political parties also who are there.
म्हणजे गोंयचे म्हणटा तेन्ना गोंयांत तुम्ही दोनूच आसा न्ही.
No, correct. So what I'm trying to tell you is that India Alliance, what is happening at national level, that clarity is still yet to come. That meetings are going on, and I think that clarity will come very soon. So after that, see, I really don't know what is their strategy, why they have done it. That probably he will be able to answer you. In terms of Congress party, I can tell you दॅट काँग्रेस पार्टीचे काम हे चालू आहे. नाव रिगार्डिंग हू इज गोइंग टू फाईट विथ सीट, दिस इज हॅपनिंग एट नॅशनल लेवल. देर आर वेरियस स्टेट्स वेर डेली इज देअर, Gujarat is there, Punjab is there, Goa is there. So all these states put together, where who is going to fight what, that nationally call will be taken.
आप म्हणता की जे कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केले तो त्यांच्या सिनियर लेवलच्या नाव त्यांच्यानी सजेस्ट केले आणि ते नाव त्यांच्यानी डिक्लेअर केले. सो ज्यांना सिनियर लेवलचा ज्यांना नाव डिक्लेअर करतात त्यांना तुमचे सिनियर्सांचे किती असतात?
नाही सिनियर लेवल म्हणजे ही इज देअर सिटिंग MLA. In that way I can also say I have got 3 MLA, so should you expect? तसे जायना नाही ते. See, that is the call they have taken at their party level. आमचे जे आमच्या पार्टीचे जे असा सिनियर लेवल, I mean that we had our Pradesh election committee meeting also. We had invited application. So our applications also have come. Now I have not gone and prematurely declared my candidature. No? See, when there are talks which are going on, it is not correct on my part also to go and just declare it.
अमित बाब, ज्यांना तुम्ही